What's going on, guys? It's Ricky, and here are 3 things that I learned about owning a 2020 Lamborghini Evo. So my Lamborghini has a little bit over 1,000 horsepower, right around 1,000 horsepower. It was tuned and designed by CFI Design, so huge shout out to them. One of the things that is my biggest takeaway in comparison to my Ferrari or the McLarens that I've had in the back before, Lamborghini, in my opinion, is one of the best looking cars. Now, this is a big misconception that just because they're very good looking doesn't actually mean they're amazing performing cars. I have to say, out of almost every supercar that I've owned, Lamborghini is one of my least favorite because of how, in my opinion, shitty the actual quality of the interior or how it feels when you actually drive the car. In comparison to my Ferrari F8, I would say I would take the F8, no question, beyond this Lamborghini on how it drives. But on how it looks, I mean, we have to give credit where it's due. It's a beautiful car. I want to show you how unpractical this Lamborghini is. So it is on lowering springs, but anytime that I'm driving this thing around town, literally any small dip. I mean, my Ferrari F8 is lowered, but it's not like this one. And this one has such a stiff suspension that any time that it actually hits a little pothole, and it's just one of the worst feelings, feeling the underbelly of the vehicle slapping the asphalt. But I want to show you very quickly how bad the blind spots are. And in comparison to any vehicle, right? And even in comparison to my Ferrari F8, let me take the camera very quickly. Check out how useless this rear view mirror is. I mean, when you look out of this, and this is what you see, I mean, I have that Performante spoiler back there, but you can barely see anything. And the thing that's really upsetting about Lamborghini is you would think it being a, $260,000 to $270,000 MSRP, a $300,000 vehicle in today's market, you would think that it wouldn't have a potato as a rear view camera. And it has such a small little display that you can barely see anything out of. But one of the things that I also wanted to share with you guys very quickly is, well, how much does it cost to actually own and maintain this Lamborghini? They do sell specific packages that help you maintain the specific car, just like they do for my Ferrari. So when I go and get my Ferrari serviced, when it comes down to oil changes or anything like that, it's actually covered, so I don't have to pay anything out of pocket. But when it comes down to insurance and registration, things that obviously you're gonna incur as you own the vehicle, registration for this specific vehicle costs a little bit over $3,100 a year in the state of Arizona. It's not too bad, and especially if you buy a private party, you don't have to be paying taxes on it every single year like you normally would in specific states like California. The other really cool thing about this is it doesn't actually cost too much to insure when you have multiple different cars under your policy. I pay a little bit over $240 a month to have full coverage up to $350,000 just for the vehicle itself. Altogether, I just wanted to share a couple of things that I learned when it comes down to owning my Lamborghini Evo. It's an amazing car to own, especially when it comes down to its looks. But when it comes down to its performance, I just feel like some cars feel like they shouldn't be going that fast. And that's kind of the feeling that I get when I drive a Lamborghini. I've never driven an Aventador or anything like that. I've had a Huracan 610-4, and now I have an Evo, and some people just love that feeling, and like myself, some people just hate it. I'm definitely more of a Ferrari or McLaren guy myself, or even that GTR. We're actually going to be giving away that GTR, so if you want to learn more about that giveaway, that's going to be the 4th link in the description. I really do appreciate you guys' time. Make sure that you guys subscribe to the channel. Make sure you drop a thumbs up, and if you want to learn anything more about it, make sure you share that down in the comment section. Thank you.